how to use the focus on iPhone for you to study, right? So let's set up for that a specific reason. So let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, I would at first go to the settings app, then find the focus mode, and you might see some of the focus modes already available. For example, the driving focus or fitness, personal, whatever, right? So you have that option, right? So you can choose which one of them you want, right? So it's not a good idea to choose or customize the driving focus because it doesn't really make sense, right? But for the studying, you can set up, for example, the personal focus or the work, right? That would make sense. But let's say I'm going to go with the personal one. The way that it works is that in here, inside of the focus mode, I decide which people can contact me during the period of the focus, and also which apps are allowed to deliver notifications because we don't want to be interrupted while the studying session. So you can choose the people and either decide that you will silence notifications from specific people or allow notifications from specific people. And the same for apps, you can decide if you specifically want to silence some of them or if you want to silence all of them and only allow a few, right? So these are the options. Then you have to just set it up for yourself, right? Obviously, you might want to silence it like your WhatsApp or I don't know, like Instagram notifications if you don't want to be interrupted while the studying. So that is what you can do. You also have the options below. So you can see that we can hide notification badges. These are the little circles with the numbers for notifications on your home screen. If you don't want to see that during the focus mode, so it doesn't make you want to click on the app, you can also hide it like this, and so many other things in here as well. Like you can dim the lock screen to sort of indicate that something else is going on, that the phone is in a different mode, right? So you can see plenty of different ways. And also below, you can see the customizing of the screen. So you can literally choose a different wallpaper or a different home screen for the period of the focus mode, right? Even watch face can be set up differently, right? So you can literally set up the whole thing and make sure that all of your devices support your goal of studying and focusing, right? So that is how it works. And also you have some things below, like you can also set up the schedule. So based on some time, location, or app, right? So that is another thing which you might play with. But if you want to turn it on manually, you can just be doing whatever on your home screen, go to the control center, tap on focus, and select the personal one, right? So that is how you can set it up and make sure you actually turn it on. And all of these conditions like filtering of notifications and everything will be suddenly turned on. So that is how it works. That is how you can use the focus mode to study. In case you have some specific additional questions about it, let me know below. It's possible I'll make more videos about it in the future. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.